Hello students, today we are going to learn the topic of addition and subtraction up to 20. This is an essential skill that helps us in our daily lives and we will explore it step by step. Let's begin with single-digit addition with frogs. If we have 2 frogs and we add 3 more frogs, we have a total of 5 frogs. Isn't that fun? Now, let's look at another example of single-digit addition with frogs. If we start with 4 frogs and then add 3 more, we end up with 7 frogs. Next, we will learn about addition on a number line. A number line is a helpful tool that we can use to add numbers together. It is a straight line with numbers on it. For example, on a number line from 0 to 10, if we want to add 4 and 2, we start at 4 and move forward 2 steps. We will land on the number 6. Now, let's move on to vertical addition. Vertical addition is a way of laying out our addition sum vertically. We always add from the units column first, working backwards. For instance, if we have 7 plus 5, we write it vertically like this. 7 plus 5. And when we add them, we get 12. We can also add using our fingers. For example, if we want to add 1 plus 2, we can hold up our fingers to help us count. Now, let's explore adding a single digit to a 2-digit number. If we start with 12 and want to add 4, we can point to 12 on our number line. From 12, we take 4 steps ahead, which brings us to 16. So, we can say that 12 plus 4 equals 16. Next, let's look at the properties of addition. One important property is that changing the order of the numbers doesn't change the sum. For example, 4 plus 5 equals 9, and 5 plus 4 also equals 9. Another property is that adding 0 to a number gives the same number. For instance, if we add 0 to 5, we still have 5. Now, let's switch gears and talk about single-digit subtraction with flowers. If we have 5 flowers and take away 2, we are left with 3 flowers. Next, we have single-digit subtraction with birds. If we have 7 birds and take away 5, we will be left with 2 birds. We can also subtract using our fingers. For example, if we want to subtract 3 minus 2, we can use our fingers to help us count down. Now, let's discuss subtracting a single digit from a 2-digit number. If we start with 14 and want to subtract 6, we can point to 14 on our number line. We then take 6 steps back from 14, which brings us to 8. Therefore, we can say that 14 minus 6 equals 8. Next, we will look at the properties of subtraction. One property is that subtracting 0 from a number leaves the number unchanged. For example, if a monkey has 6 bananas and eats none, he still has 6 bananas left. Another property is that subtracting 1 from a number decreases it by 1. If a monkey has 5 bananas and eats 1 banana, he will have 4 bananas left. We also have the property of subtracting a number from itself. If a monkey has 4 bananas and eats all of them, he has 0 bananas left. Now, let's explore the addition and subtraction relationship. For example, if 4 plus 2 equals 6, then 6 minus 2 equals 4. As we wrap up, let's try these out. 1. 11 plus 6 equals 2. 14 plus 4 equals 3. 9 plus 3 equals 4. 10 minus 6 equals 5. 12 minus 7 equals 6. 14 minus 4 equals. In conclusion, we have learned about addition and subtraction, how to use a number line, and the properties of these operations. Practicing these concepts will make you better at maths. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes. Watch video lectures and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on Eduref to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all. You also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 1. Thank you.